Welcome to Minutes World. Today we are going to see top 10 tallest waterfalls in the world. 10. Skrikjofossen Falls. Located in Hordaland, Norway. For a while, we had left this falls off the list because we bought into initial estimates that this falls was only 455 meters tall. However, we brought it back on this list after combining the latest findings from the Norgeskart, formerly Norgesglasset, with our field observations. For reasons we've described later on this write-up, we are going with a tentative height of 560 meters, which qualifies this mysterious waterfall on this list. 9. Sutherland Falls. Located in Fiordland, New Zealand. This Kiwi wonder on the South Island just makes this list with a cumulative height of 580 meters over 3 distinct leaps. Sourced by a lake in an area that is well known for being rainy for much of the year, there's no doubt about its permanence. Thus, it's widely regarded as New Zealand's most beautiful waterfall. In order to see it, you'll have to embark on an overnight trek to see it by foot or have some serious luck with the weather so you can see it from the sky. 8. Langfoss Falls. Located in Hordaland, Norway. This monster cascade drops over a cumulative height of around 612 meters. I can vouch for this measurement after inspecting the topographic map at Norgesglasset, Norway's online topographic map courtesy of Statens Kartverk. Sourced by the massive Folgefonna Glacier, Folgefonna, there's no question this waterfall is legit as it's very wide and tumbles down the length of the mountainside into the Akrafjorden, which is at sea level. Oh yeah, the scenic allure of this waterfall is quite good, too. 7. Snow Creek Falls. Located in California, USA. This side creek that tumbles some 2,140 feet, about 652 meters, corroborated by Topo. California, into Tenaya Canyon in Yosemite National Park, is one of the more elusive waterfalls in the park. In fact, if you want to see the whole drop of the waterfall in one go, you're gonna have to summit Yosemite's iconic Half Dome. Perhaps one of the better excuses to do the strenuous trail for waterfalls if you ask me. 6. Yosemite Falls. Located in California, USA. This is certainly one of the taller waterfalls in North America, though whether it's the tallest is highly disputable depending on who you talk to. Dropping over 2 mighty leaps with cascades sandwiched in between, it has a cumulative height at a widely reported and accepted 2,424 feet or 739 meters. Statistics aside, it's the crown jewel of attractions in the incomparable Yosemite Valley, and perhaps rivals Half Dome and El Capitan as iconic symbols of Yosemite National Park. 5. Kjellfossen Falls. Located in Sogn-og-Fjordane, Norway. Tumbling in multiple strands into the steep Nerøy Valley, Nerøydalen, this is often regarded as one of the tallest, if not the tallest, cumulative drop waterfalls in Norway. Its statistics, which we can kind of vouch for by Norgesglasset inspection, gives this one a height of 755 meters or 2,477 feet. You can appreciate the context of how it tumbles down the mountainside when viewed from the Stilheim Hotel terrace, but you can find a pull-out near the base of the waterfall for a neck-cranking look at the falls itself. 4. Catarata Gocta Falls. Located in Cochabamba, San Pablo, Peru. Measured by the Zeemendorf Expedition Party and corroborated by the National Geographic Society in 2006 at a cumulative height of 771 meters 2,531 feet, this is definitely one of the taller legitimate waterfalls in the world and is perhaps the pride of the Chachas people of northern Peru. The falls actually consist of a 230 meters upper drop followed by a 531 meters lower drop, making this one also one of the taller free-leaping waterfalls in the world, so it certainly holds its own statistically no matter which way you slice and dice it. 3. Ravnfjellsfossen Falls. Located in Sogn-og-Fjordane, Norway. This towering waterfall falling from glaciers into the Lake Lovetnet can easily be overlooked as another run-of-the-mill tall waterfall in Norway. However, after finally gaining some traction in its height measurements thanks to added features to Norgeskart by Statens Kartverk, we can finally lend some credibility to the claims that it's 818 meters 2,685 feet tall. I think a return trip here is in order to get better views, take our time, and come prepared with a clinometer rangefinder combo to settle the science once and for all. Aside from statistics, as you can see from the photo, it's certainly a feast for the eyes. 2. Brown Falls. Located in Fiordland, New Zealand. This long cascade draining Lake Brown and dropping into the Doubtful Sound has been the subject of many conversations regarding whether it's the tallest in New Zealand or not. Well, based on examining the NZ Mapped GPS topographic map, which itself is derived from Land Information New Zealand data, it's conceivable that the falls tops off at the reported 836 meters 2,744 feet, though there have been published brochures saying the falls is 619 meters, possibly the first 200 meters or so of its drop a sloping stream before making the steep cascade. Now this waterfall blends in with many of the other cascades you might find in the Doubtful Sound, so even identifying this guy is a challenge unless you knew exactly what you're looking for. 1. Angel Falls. Salto Angel. Located in Canaima, Venezuela. So far this waterfall has stood the test of time and debate as being the consensus tallest waterfall on Earth. Statistically speaking, it has a cumulative height of 979 meters 3,212 feet. It leaps off the Ollantaypuy, which itself is an isolated plateau collecting rain at its soggy, mysterious top, and thus the presence of this waterfall is a miracle and an oddity in and of itself. If you're looking to gaze upon this world wonder, be aware that clouds frequently cover its top, so patience and a little luck is needed to get the view you want. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos.